Good morning, ma'am. Today I am going to say experiment 2 in object oriented software engineering lab. So, the second experiment is drawing use case diagrams for the given scenarios. So, the second experiment is the main aim of the experiment is to provide the use case diagrams for depositing money through ATM and money transferred to wrong account and withdrawal, but the cash will not be come from the machine. So coming to first scenario, uh, first use case is a diagram that consists of actors and actions. So the actors here are user ATM machine, and the actions are first scenario is deposit money through ATM. So first action is first we should compulsory insert a card, then it will detect that card and it will provide select the language, and we can select the language that we are comfortable. So then we enter the PIN number, and then we will select the transaction that may be withdrawal, deposit, transfer funds or check balance. So the main scenario is based on the deposit money through ATM. So we will select here the deposit, and after selecting deposit option we will enter how much amount we are going to deposit. So after that we will enter denominations for that amount, and then it will display that the transactions are processing, and it will show the confirmation message like a transaction complete. So after all this process completes, it will generate a receipt. So this is the main thing in deposit through ATM. So there are so many ATM machines like mainly for withdrawal so many ATMs are there. For deposit there are few machines. For that there will be particular machine requires to put cash and envelopes. So that machines completely depend on the envelope card. So this machine is ATM machines are increasing day by day and people are using it day by day. So this is the use case diagram for deposit through ATM. So here the customer is the user and the ATM machine, and first we will insert card, select language, enter PIN, select transactions, that is select deposit funds, and then enter amount, enter denominations, confirm the transactions, and then the ATM will print the receipt. So the second scenario is money is deposited in wrong account number. So there are actors: user, ATM machine and bank server. So the actions are first we enter in ATM card. So we will select the same procedure as before, deposit option, and we follow transactions. So we are depositing money into another account, so it will ask enter account number. So we will provide the account number and we will enter the amount that we are depositing. So transaction will complete, but the receipt is not generated. Then the user come to know that it went to wrong account. Then user will ask help from bank server. From bank server it will ask a bank desk help option. So bank desk help, it will have some addressing problems like wrong deposit, pin change and ATM theft and so on. So from that we will select wrong deposit option and we will complain about that wrong transaction in bank. So the bank will try to refund that money into our account. So after receiving money we will get a message to phone. So this is the second scenario. So this is the diagram for second scenario. First we will insert card and then select deposit, and then we will enter account number, and then we will enter amount. Transaction will be processing, the transaction will be successful, but we don't get receipt, no receipt. So we will ask bank server for bank help desk, and we will address problem like wrong deposit, and we will complain bank about that wrong transaction, so the bank may refund the money. So if it refunds, it will generate a message. So coming to third scenario, withdraw cash, but the cash doesn't come out from the machine. So in this case, the actors are users, ATM machine and bank server. The actions are, first step is common in every time, that is we will insert a card in ATM machine. So we will enter a PIN number and select a transaction type, that is withdrawal. So user should enter the amount that is required to withdraw. So after entering, it will show some message like a error message. So it may be inadequate funds or technical issues, so that a user can report that issues to bank. So this is the third scenario. First we will insert card and then enter PIN, and then select the transaction, that is withdrawal. We will enter amount, and then it will display within seconds like a error message. So that may be inadequate funds or technical issues. So that should be reported to bank. So this is the third scenario. This is the use case diagrams for the three scenarios. So the use case diagrams are successfully executed. Thank you.